Hello everyone, today I'm going to give you 50 life advices. I hope this will be helpful to you. 1. Take responsibility. Everything in your life is your responsibility. Don't wait for others to change things. They are not going to come to save you. 2. Stay in the moment. You can't change the past, but you can change the future with present. 3. Don't listen to people who speaks badly about you. They are going to say, you are bad, you are nothing, you can't do anything, etc. because they are evil and the ones who could not achieve anything. 4. Take care of your health. If you lose this, you are going to be unhappy, no matter what. 5. Don't compare yourself with others. Everyone's story is different. 6. Pay attention to hygiene. Most microbes are transmitted through the hands and mouth. 7. Don't easily trust to people. People are the worst living beings in the world. You don't know what's on their minds. 8. Manage the time well. Time passes fast, so use your time efficiently and in a multifaceted way. 9. Be brave, take risk. You can't live in fear. At least you can say I tried. 10. Don't spend your money much. Be careful because it's hard to win, but it's easy to spend. 11. Keep secret. Don't tell anything about yourself to people. They can send you bad energy, spread rumors about you, or they can try to stop you. 12. Always give charity. Charity extends the life. For example, help to animals, nature, and good people. But not to bad people because you can create bad karma. 13. Do what you love. Life is short. 14. Smile more. To be positive is going to make you healthier and happier. 15. Keep your word. If you don't, you'll appear untrustworthy. 16. Set goals. If you don't, you'll waste your time. 17. Your normal day can be someone else's dream, so be thankful. 18. Be flexible. Life is open to change. If you don't change, life will change you. 19. Be fair. Treat the evil people bad and the good people well, but don't forget. Always protect your boundaries. 20. Trust your gut. Sometimes you feel that moment. That's the moment to act. 21. Stay humble. Remember where you came from, and there's always someone better than you at something. 22. Don't criticize people too much. You experience the things you criticize because brain doesn't perceive negativity and thinks that you tell these to yourself. 23. Show yourself strong. If you look weak, bad people will perceive you as weak, so stand tall, make eye contact with people, and keep your voice at a moderate volume. 24. Freeze your fruits and vegetables. It will keep them lasting longer. 25. Learn to say no. If you don't, then people are going to use you. 26. Pack your clothes by rolling them. You will get more space to hold more. 27. Have reminders. Write down anything that comes to mind immediately. That way you won't forget it. 28. Express your feelings and thoughts outwardly. Suppressing your emotions harm you. 29. Don't be late to places you are going. It will damage your public image. 30. Take food for travel. Because it's cheaper and healthier. 31. Dream. Dreaming is the first step in setting goals. 32. Charge your phone faster. Put it on airplane mode and close the unnecessary applications. 33. Always eat according to your blood type. It will make you healthier and will extend your lifespan. 34. Don't call people in the evening. They can be eating or spending time with their family, so don't disturb them. 35. Don't rush into marriage. Marry if you are in love with someone and they have a good character. 36. Don't expect people to change. Character is determined from childhood, and much of the core structure remains the same. 37. Always earn money from multiple sources. This is the only way to secure yourself. 38. Clean it piece by piece. Instead of cleaning the whole house in one go, take a few minutes every day to clean a room or even a smaller area. 39. Use a small garbage can in your car. We all know our cars can become a second home of storage. It's a good way to keep it clean. 40. Lift weights. You use your body every day, so you need this. 41. Stay away from unsafe websites. If you're going to download files, download them from reliable sites. Otherwise, you will get virus. 42. Learn something new every day. This can be a new language, skill, or anything. 43. Remember people's names. People are more likely to like you if you say their name to them. It shows that you care their presence. 44. Listen to your body. Go to sleep between 2300 hours and midnight. Don't eat too much food. 3 meals are enough. Drink enough water. 45. If your family is good, take good care of them because they helped you. 46. You are the 5 people you surround yourself with. So surround yourself with people that inspire you. 47. Admit it when you're wrong. You can't always be right. If you do this, it means you have malicious intentions. 48. You don't have to go to university. Don't waste your years. Work and earn money. That's better for your future. 49. Learn about occultism. For example, astrology and palmistry can help you understand your life path. 50. Hang a tennis ball in your garage. It helps the parking guide. It lets you pull forward to the exact same spot every time, ensuring your garage door closes safely and you don't hit the wall. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.